What's going on, everybody? It's Chelsea Daniels here, and I am here with a Royalton Chic Cancun room tour.
Oh boy, I feel weak, I feel insane, I feel you all in my veins, I need you.
So we actually stayed in the presidential suite. It's a one-bedroom presidential suite with diamond club. So we had the butler service and a few other things that I'm going to explain in the video. All right, everyone. So this is the Oceanfront presidential suite. It's a one-bedroom suite. Starting off with the full bathroom. This bathroom didn't get used much by us, obviously, but when we had guests in the room, they were able to use it and not have to come into our room. And that bathroom also had a rain shower in it. That's kind of the Royalton signature shower ordeal. So really nice and luxury there. The closet had a lot of space, and there's a safe in there. As you see, there's a hairdryer as well, some extra pillows. And as you can see, there's a lot of drawer space as well. Essentially, this area could serve as a second bedroom for someone, seeing as there is a pull-out couch in the sofa. I would get room service or your butler to assist you with taking the bed out, though, because it's kind of tough to get out of there. So the one-bedroom suite does come with a bar area. The mini bar obviously gets restocked as a part of your all-inclusive, and there's a fridge under the sink here as well as in the master suite. You see there's a coffee pot there, but the presidential suite also came with 2 bottles of liquor as well as 3 bottles of wine. They aren't going to restock those, so you just kind of get what you get until it's gone type of thing. But with the all-inclusive, there was more than enough liquor to go around, and I don't even think we finished it all. Okay, so moving into the master suite. The master suite had a lot of space as well. There's a king bed, a seating area, and a desk. You see my honey sitting at the desk doing a little work. And then when you move into the master bathroom, I really love the his and her sink in the master bathroom, as well as all of the vanity counter space. And this master bathroom is a whole lot larger than the first bathroom you all saw. There's a lot of closet space, there's shelves, there's the bathroom with just a toilet, and then a larger rain shower as well that you'll see in just a second. And the bathroom also has a phone in there, so if you're in the bathroom and the phone happens to ring, you can answer it in there too, which is kind of cool for room service. And here's another view of the master suite. Like I said, it's very spacious. There's a whole lot of space, a lot of just ample room to move around, which I thought was really cool. The junior suites have a lot of space too, but they're not as spacious as the one-bedroom presidential suite. And then lastly, we have our view from the oceanfront balcony. So the cool thing about the one-bedroom presidential is that the balcony stretches across the entire length of the room. So essentially, it's like having 2 balconies all in one. It's a lot of space, but it's perfect for couples. We honestly really enjoyed it. The view from the balcony was amazing. And like I mentioned in my resort tour video, this view is unmatched, and you can kind of see everything that's going on down at the pool, down at the beach. You can hear the music, feel the vibes, and just a great way to get your day started with the sunrises and end it with the sunsets.